Welcome and welcome to my channel, and this is Ruby TV. Today, I am going to share with you my journey of how I acquired my car. Kung paano ko po nabili ang aking sasakyan through selling lip tints and beauty products. I am sharing this not to brag but to inspire everyone like me who are into business. Kahit na po yan ay small scale business, we need to invest. Way back 2016 when I started my own business, yes, it's true, I am selling lip tints and all kinds of beauty products. And through this, I was able to save up and purchase my own car. Baku-baku man ang daanan mo, along the way, kapag nagpatuloy ka, ay makakarating ka pa rin sa finish line. Finally, this October 2024, I am proud to say that my car is now fully paid. Thank you, Lord, dahil hindi po ninyo ako pinabayaan at patuloy niyo po akong sinamahan at ginabayan sa aking journey na ito. You made the impossible thing be possible po talaga para sa akin. Sobrang thankful po ako, Lord. And of course, sa akin pong mga suki, na naging bahagi po ng aking journey na ito since day one, na patuloy po ninyo akong sinusuportahan at paulit-ulit po kayong bumibili sa aking tindahan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo aking mga suki dahil naging bahagi po kayo sa pagtupad ng aking pangarap na ito. Sobrang thankful po ako sa inyo aking mga suki. Sana po hindi kayo magsawa sa pagsuporta sa aking negosyo. Thank you po again. Maraming salamat.